with that, ladies and gentlemen, moving forward to the next category, Best Individual in AC Services in the Sector Services, goes to Econo Cooling HVAC. Can we have a huge round of applause? Congratulations. Woke yourself up.